I know I can see that D to TH is coming right up, right here, huh?
Learn that.
The D, and I know the D and the T are related, and to a lesser degree, so is the same relationship between the D and the TH. So I know it's going to link into learn that. Learn that.
Learn that. Learn that.
Yeah, learn that.
Learn that.
We learned that mortgages, and again, I want to make that link because I've got structural and tonal energy leading. So I'm just going to use those consonants to quickly get over them. We learned that mortgages had been sold to people who couldn't afford.
And
But here's another link that we really should make. A D to TH once again. Understand them. Understand them.
Understand them. Understand them. Understand them. Understand them.
Mm-hmm. Because you're not fully playing the D, right? You're just starting to pronounce the D and going right into the TH. Understand them.
Understand them.
Yeah. Be careful, of course, that you get that NT.
Couldn't. Okay.
Right there, right? Yeah, because it's the opposite meaning if they don't hear that. We couldn't. They. And because I'm hitting those tonal vowels, think of those as tonal anchors, is what I like to call them, right? Especially your E's and your A's. Those are your main tonal anchors that anchor your speech in good tone. And work on always feeling as much vibration in them and working on getting it into a low, comfortable, clean pitch. TH in other, with other.
Banks had made huge bets and bonuses with other people's money.
Yeah.
Banks had made huge bets and bonuses with other people's money.
Yeah, but you're going to have to work harder to get that TH. It's going to take time and paying attention to it, to know that you're actually making it too much like, that German accented other, and like going toward a D too much. You got to get that tongue to make that thing, even though it's very fast. It's very fast, but the tongue's got to make that little TH. Other people's money.
Other people's money. Other people's money.
Yeah. You could always work like crazy on the TH sounds, believe me. And it's all that has to happen. If everything else in your speech is, coming out in a neutral accent, when that TH comes out sounding too much like a D, right away it sounds like that European accent. Okay, I'm going to switch over now to consonant energy leading. So that means I'm going to really be minimizing, not ignoring, but minimizing tonal and structural energy and putting all the emphasis on letting the consonants carry it. And, in your everyday conversation, the consonants, if you've got good consonant energy, basically carry everyday conversation and most of the talking you do. Stage 2. It was wrong. It was irresponsible, and it plunged our economy into a crisis that put millions out of work, saddled us with more debt, and left innocent, hard-working Americans holding the bag. Stage 3. It was wrong, it was irresponsible, it plunged our economy into a crisis that put millions out of work, saddled us with more debt, and left innocent, hard-working Americans holding the bag. The other thing, of course, that's great about mastering the consonants is that it enables you to speak very fast. You're just playing consonant to consonant. Add the DG to your homework list.
DG.
Because it's like the DG sound in plunged, plunged. That once it was there the first couple times, but then sure enough, it slipped back over into an unvoiced CH when you got up to speed, and you were saying plunged. In the 6 months before I took office, we lost nearly 4 million jobs. Not many consonants to play in that sentence, really, until we get to the end of the last two words there. And we lost another. Again, I've got the word linking into it starts with a vowel, so I'm going to use the final consonant of the preceding word to start it. Another, lost another. Lost another 4 million before our policies. Be sure you feel that Z and don't lose it when you get up to speed. Our policies were in full effect. Again, believe me, speechwriters, know what they're doing. And, those last two words, really, the final L and the KT sounds, you can really take advantage of those. Stage 2, in the 6 months before I took office, we lost nearly 4 million jobs. We lost another 4 million before our policies were in full effect. In the 6 months before I took office, we lost nearly 4 million jobs, and we lost another 4 million before our policies were in full effect. I wasn't quite happy with that. I'm going to do it again. In the 6 months before I took office, we lost nearly 4 million jobs, and we lost another 4 million before our policies were in full effect. And now I see that really with the contrast emphasis, you need to operate on this word another, really, your intonation, right? Compare it, because you're comparing those 4 million jobs. We lost another 4 million.